Took the sixes off. Woo. You know what that mean, man? What that mean? Y'all let me know what that mean, man. Get in the comment section what y'all think. What y'all think that mean, man?
Damn, KC.
YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Young, man. I'm back with another vid, man. Hey, man, you see the title, see probably the description. Hey, read the description, man. All right, read the description. Anyway, man, you see the title, man. Update. Damn, people beeping and shit. God damn. Anyway, update. Water. Anyway. Dodge Magnum update. Durango update. Yeah, man. Dodge Magnum update. Let me switch this camera around, man. Hold on. Oh, on them factories, nigga. You on these factories? Hey, man, I swear to God, I probably ain't put these wheels on these cars ever since I sold the foes. And I was back in, what, 16, man. Probably had them on about 2 months. Yeah, tires still brand new when I bought, like, back in 2012. You see the paint hitting on that? God damn. Yeah, they stagger too, man. 255s in the back, 245s up front, man. Look at the tread on these. Look at the tread. God damn, man. Pick your grandmama up too in these treads. You feel me? Damn, all this tread. But yeah, anyway, update. You know what that mean? Took the sixes off. Woo. You know what that mean, man? What that mean? Y'all let me know what that mean, man. Get in the comment section what y'all think. What y'all think that mean, man? Cause I'm selling the sixes. I'm selling the sixes. I'm selling the car. I'm broke, so I gotta sell the car because I can't fix it. Who knows? Man, yeah, man, you see that flip? Oh, god damn, this is a subtle flip. Nah, let me y'all know what's going on, man. Let y'all know what's going on quick, man. Hey. Paint shop ready, man. Paint shop ready. Yeah, you heard what I said. Paint shop ready, man. Paint shop ready, man. Yeah, man. Y'all know what we about to do, man. The date has already been set for the drop off. Because I know y'all want to see the car. Y'all ain't want to see me, man. Hold on, man. For the drop off joint, already set and ready, man. No games. Sixes off. Yeah. We ain't playing no game. Boy, look at it. Look inside here. What's inside here? Yeah, man. Ain't playing no games, man. What we doing with this today, though, too, though? Big SRT. And you're probably wondering, why you got two emblems? To be straight honest with y'all, this emblem right here, it's very hard to see. It's not really bright, you know what I'm saying? It's really dark for real. And even when you're driving down the street, I could be flying past you, you're going the opposite way, it's hard to see that SRT symbol right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Trust me, I know. My own goddamn truck, and I ain't see it go down the goddamn street. I thought it was something else coming up the street. But that's why I still kept that on there. I didn't take it off because I moved it down there. But yeah, you know, that's LED light. Because you really can't even see this for real. When this mother is cruising, just driving past you, you won't even notice it unless you're looking hard. You know what I'm saying? But real hard. But everybody know when you really looking for SRT, you're gonna look for that, and you're gonna look for that. That real deal shit. Oh, Pirellis. Look at that tread on that too. Hitting, man. Yeah, what we doing to this day. Hey, the Durango get put up. You know what I mean? Even though it's gonna sit outside, you know it's gonna get put up. But it's gonna go inside though once that's gone. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, date for that. I already got a date. I ain't gonna tell y'all the date. I'm supposed to drop it off. It could be 2 months from now. It could be a month from now. It could be after I post this video. Who knows? But yeah, look at that. Look at that. But anyway, yeah, update. This is done. About to put this up too, man. I ain't gonna tell you what today's date is neither. You know what I'm saying? But it's put like this. This is January. You know what I'm saying? So, look at that. January ain't no snow on the ground. No nothing. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see the whole Durango, man. Hold on. Yeah, big Durango. I gotta close that sunroof while I'm tripping. Yeah, real SRT, man. Hold on, y'all see the Impala too? Big Giovanna's, Coco Couture. Yeah, oh, look how clean this mug is. Look how clean it is in the wintertime, man. On 24s, man. See, I swear, that make it look so clean right here, man. Like literally, make it look so clean, man. Look at that shit, man. 24s, man. 24s. God damn, bitches, motherfucker clean, man. Shit. Look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that shit. Y'all probably think, wow, I'm showing that. Man, like my last video, like I showed y'all, man. Them 255s on them fucking 10-inch wide wheels, boy, I swear they be pulling up on curves, man. It's just a problem. I gotta go 275 23s, man. 255 25, man. Next year I'm going 275 23s up front. For sure. This, I can't keep having this problem. All because, man, I go up a big ass curve going up to one of these goddamn stupid ass gas stations and shit, man. Yeah, man. Hold on, dog. Yeah. Look at that. That man, this my hardest Impala in the city, dog. I don't care what came before. Right now, hardest Impala in the city, man. And I can say that though. Hardest Impala in the city. Hold on. But yeah, update on the Durango. You already know what we about to do, man. Put up time. Yeah, I put up kind of late though, but put up time. About to put this on the charger. Make sure everything was cool. Filled it up halfway. A little bit more than halfway. About to put it on charge. You feel me? And guess what we else about to, since this is a 392. You about to disconnect some shit, nigga, so a motherfucker don't need you motherfucker steal this motherfucker. You know what I mean? So trying to steal this bitch. Bitch ain't gonna go nowhere, motherfucker. Dumbasses. That's what we doing. Battery gonna be charged up. And we're about starting this motherfucker for 3-4 weeks. Guess what also I did? Put the Lucas in there. You know what I mean? So we ain't gotta worry about them hard cold starts. You already know about all that. You know what I'm saying? So we good though. Durango getting put up. This boy right here getting ready to go pretty soon. Then the Durango going in the garage once this motherfucker leave. You know what I'm saying? So after that, man, we cool, man. So let y'all know right now, man. Don't try to steal my Durango, man. Please don't. I'm begging y'all. But anyway, man, if you try to steal it, man, you ain't gonna get nowhere, man. You know this bitch is sitting. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna get nowhere. You can't steal it unless you do a little bit more extra work. Try to steal it. You know what I'm saying? Because you ain't gonna be able to start it. I'm just gotta deal with a motherfucker with a broken fucking goddamn window. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's the update, man. The update, the date for that is coming pretty soon. My soon could be 2 months. My soon could be 1 day. Who knows? I'm gonna let y'all know. But the wheels is off, so you already know what it is. And Durango put up. No more driving it to about maybe end of March, April, man. So we'll see with that. You know what I'm saying? But about to put this mug on a motherfucking charger. Or maintainer. It ain't like my old maintainers, but hey, it is what it is. When you get it for free, you do what you gotta do. You feel me? But yeah, man. Hope y'all enjoy my content. Y'all like, y'all subscribe. Y'all see the big dog Impala looking very cleanish on this January's day. You feel me? But yeah, man. Please, thank y'all, man. I love y'all, man. Whoever subscribed to my channel, whoever come look at it, this is the view what I got going on. Whoever come to hate, who cares? Whoever come like this, hit the dislike button. I don't care, or like button. Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all. But like, share, comment, subscribe, man. See y'all next vid, man. Peace. Young out the building.